I'd like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. My name is Gina, and to those of you who this is your first time checking us out, thank you so much. We hope to see you again. And to those of you that are returning, good looking out. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Well, today we are going to do an unboxing of our July Curlbox. It comes in, of course, the brown box, and then the Curlbox is actually inside. It just kind of caught me off guard because it's normally black. This month, it's pink. Okay, I almost said what the what. Okay. Well, let's check it out and see what's in here. To those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox, Curlbox is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month, and that does include the shipping. And you get a full collection of hair care products for women of color. You can get it in a natural state, which is what I have in this box. Okay, now before we open up the box, I just want to say to you, I'm gonna give you just a couple seconds to hit the subscribe button right there. Go ahead, just tap the subscribe button. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. Now, trust me, I have someone here with me. They'll give you a countdown if you need one. Might even give you a drum roll just so you have enough time. All right, ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit that button. Thank you so much for becoming a part of the Season Beauties family. So let's dig into the box. Now, like I said, this kind of caught me off guard. Y'all see we got the lighting squared away because you can actually see it's a pink box. It doesn't look whited out. But normally the box is black. However, July 2018, the box was pink. So we really got to jump in and see what's going on in this. So this month, our description card, which is always beautiful, by the way, it says Drippin. Okay, I'm just saying, it says Drippin. How about that? Okay, so let's see what this month's featured products are. And it's by the company Cream of Nature. Okay, and so we're going to, it says, it's the height of summer, and we've transformed into social butterflies and busy bees. All these opportunities to stunt call for pretty pieces and eye-catching curls. Okay, now, why we get the title Drippin'? It's about the honey. Okay, so we're going to check the products that came in this month. I love this box. Okay, and it says, we're just going to pull them out one at a time, see what they are. Normally it's maybe 4 or 5 products, but the full line nonetheless. This month, look at that. See? And we're going to see what each and every product is. Let's see if we can go in order. Well, that certainly wouldn't come first. All right, this says new Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. Here we go. All right. Then we have our Break Up Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this is an 8-ounce size. The shampoo is a 12-ounce size, and they both say pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates, no mineral oil, and no silicone in the shampoo. In the conditioner, it says no sulfate and no mineral oils. Oh, this is just amazing. This is for dry, damaged hair. And for those who are transitioning over, sometimes we do run into those kind of problems. Now, love the name. This is called Knot, K-N-O-T, Away Leave-In Detangler. This one is also an 8 fluid ounce size. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. Salt, no sulfates, no mineral oils. The packaging is pretty nice as well. See, it has those wonderful the ingredients that we're using in it. Okay. Then we also have hair mask. Okay. This one is an 11.5 ounce size, and it says moisture, replenish, and strength hair mask for dry, damaged hair. Okay, this is quite the package here. Then the next one is the moisture with twisting cream. This one also is an 11.5 ounce container. Moisture whip. You know what? Here you go. And it smells amazing. Let's see the texture of that. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and so the last product that we have is the edge control. Okay, and of course no sulfates, no mineral oils in this one as well. And this is a 2.25 ounce size. This smells so good. See, I like it when it's like that. So, this month's Curlbox, we were introduced to the Cream of Nature, Pure Honey. Okay, and what I'm going to do is down below, I will give you the price. If you were to purchase each one individually, I'll give you what that price would be. So you'll see what kind of a savings you have by subscribing to Curlbox. Okay, now there will be a link in the description bar below so that you can find out how to become a part of the Curlbox family. Now, let me just tell you this. This box is so good. There is always a wait list, okay? But that lets you know it's amazing. So this is the month of June. I'm sorry. This is so July. I cannot be going backwards, okay? So this is the July 2018 Curlbox, and it's called Drippin. Okay? Now, if you have enjoyed this video, I will ask you, if you don't mind, hitting that like button right there. And then, if you have comments or suggestions or whatever, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. I do read them, and yes, I do respond. Okay, below. Now, even in addition to all of that, make sure you subscribe and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and push the bell. So that will give you a notification every time I upload a video. Now, you'll be the first to know. So then you'll have a chance to come back and see us again. Now, I just want to tell you, as always, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time. Bye-bye.